Hey, Life Math Industry, and we are going to do some word problems that are also creative problems in geometry. So when you think of word problems, you might think of like, Susie has blah 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 and has blah blah blah. How many of that? But instead of those kinds of problems, these kinds of problems that we're going to show you are going to be more based on geometry and a bit more logical. For example, the complement of an angle is 4 times greater than the smaller angle. Find the larger angle. So, you see how it explains that there's this complementary angles, and the larger one is 4 times greater than the smaller one. We have to find the larger one. So if we logical think about it, there are 2 ways we can solve this. We can solve it using a picture, and we can also solve it with equations. But they're basically a collaborative, which means you can use one or the other, or a collaboration of each other. Here's an example. The complement of an angle. Right here, we can immediately say that the word complement means 90 degrees because there are 2 angles, and complementary angles is equal to 90 degrees. Oh, and if you're ever freezing, then you might want to go into the corner over there because the corner is 90 degrees. Ha 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 ha. So, we can draw a picture of 90 degrees right here. But as the other strategy, we can write 90 degrees right there. The other thing says that of an angle is 4 times greater than the smaller angle. So, complementary angles are going to have 2 angles. And there's going to be right here one objective and right here another objective that will equal 90 degrees. 4 times greater than the smaller angle. So we're going to put 4x right here, and we're going to put x right there. Because when you try to find the ratio of 2 complementary angles that add up to 90, then basically we'll have to use variables, because the 4 is saying 4 times the amount of x. And x is going to be our missing number, or our mystery number. When we solve for x, we are going to get our answer. So find the larger angle. So we're going to find this angle right here. So with the 2 ideas, we're going to say 4x plus x is going to equal 90. The 4x is the larger angle, the x is the smaller angle, and it's going to equal 90 degrees. So if I combine like terms and get 5x equals 90, then if I divide by 5 to get x alone, x is going to bring me to 18. Because 5 times 18 is 90. But wait, we are not done yet. Some kids like to just stop when they get the x out. Well, we're not really finished because it said to find the angle of the larger one. So we're going to put 18 in for x and put 18 in for x right there. So the smaller angle is 18 degrees. The larger angle is 4 times 18 is 72 degrees. So we found the angles, and we found that the larger one is 72 degrees. So we basically both did a collaboration of using visuals and actually solving it algebraically. But we're not done yet. We have to actually check ourselves if the larger angle is 4 times greater than the smaller one. So here's 72. And to say 4 times larger, 18 times 4 is 72. So basically, what we just did is we have correctly said and found out that the larger angle is 72 degrees. And that is an example where we can do word problems in geometry. This is not the only type of word problem. Because when you have to do them on a test or an assignment, you'll have to look for key clues and also see what those clues can give you pictures and algebraic expressions. So, yeah!
Look!
Hey, a note!
Yeah, but turn it over. There's a letter.
You're right.
And I got this message from my parents.
Your parents? Dear Patrick, your mama and I are coming out tomorrow for Starfish Day. Please try to remember, but don't try too hard or you'll hurt yourself like last time. Love, Daddy.
I hope this video has helped you understand word problems in geometry and how to logical think on them. Thank you for watching To Help In Your Life's Math Industry. Like and subscribe.